everybody, and welcome to another weekly update. Here we are in October, and I can't believe this year has went so fast. I suppose Ignite took away a bunch of weeks for me and just it all blended into one. Thankfully, I'm kind of coming out of the Ignite bubble and moving forward with some new projects. But first to the Azure news, and as you expect, it's a little bit quieter, obviously with a lot of announcements happening at Ignite last week, but there's a couple of things that I want to highlight. One of the announcements that I actually missed at Ignite was that Azure Security Center now supports bringing in GCP and AWS alerts. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have a look at that and see what's happening there. But yeah, that was an announcement I missed at Ignite. We've also had a couple of announcements this week actually. We've seen Azure Advisor release new performance and operational recommendations into their overall recommendations. And we've also seen Azure Monitor Application Insights launch within the UK West region. So again, that'll be good for our customers to actually use Application Insights in the UK West if that's where your data center resources reside. So other than that, my week has went quite quick. I've been working on a few things from Ignite, obviously, playing with some new technology, having a look at them, trying to build up some recap slide decks to present at some user groups. I've recorded a podcast around Ignite Roundup. The other night I was at the WinOps meetup with April Edwards, and we were doing a kind of roundup of Ignite and just a general chit chat. It was really good actually just to have a talk and a kind of panel discussion with Stephen, the moderator or kind of owner of that user group and initiative. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, I think Stephen was recording it, so it should be available somewhere, and if I can find the link I'll post it in the description below. But yeah, so I've been working on playing with some of the new toys and the new products that came out at Ignite. I've been building a slide deck for a presentation I'm going to be doing later on in October around an Ignite out recap. Hopefully going to be sharing that with internal folks and then share it later on with external folks as well for you to all catch up on. But yeah, that's the kind of projects I'm working on. I'm also trying to record a video for STEM, which is Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths initiative that we have here in the UK. I promised a bunch of teachers for high schools that I would do a video about my career working at Microsoft, how to get into IT, all of that, and I have kind of got some of it together. I'm not loving what I've recorded so far, so I think I'm actually going to scrap it all and re-record it. So I need to get that done before the end of today, because I did promise it for them at the end of September, so I've slightly slipped with that deadline. But yeah, that's my focus at the moment, and I've got a couple of emails to catch up on. I've got a couple of scheduling things to catch up with people. If you've tweeted me, if you've DM'd me and you're asking something I haven't got back to you, please bear with me. I am working through all of that admin backlog. I think one of the things that I'm actually going to do is close my speaking diary for the year. I think my last engagement will be middle of November, and that's going to be me for 2020. So hopefully it'll give me some time to actually focus on other things and do that. I've enjoyed my public speaking. I've loved it. I think I've done more public speaking engagements this year than I've ever done before, and it's been great. It's been a great opportunity, and thank you to everybody that's invited me or watched one of my sessions. But I think it's time to just close the diary, focus on some other things, wrap up the year, and as we are getting to the end of the year, try and change the focus a little bit and catch up on some of the things that I've not been able to do so far. So yeah, I will put where I'm speaking on my blog, so techielass.com/speaking, and you can catch me at some of the engagements if you want to, or if you haven't done already this year. But yeah, I think I'm going to close the diary soon for 2020 in terms of speaking. I've got Monday off. I'm looking forward to the long weekend. I think I definitely need a long lie after the last couple of weeks with Ignite. I think I've been getting up most mornings and working from about 7 till often 7 at night. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to a long lie. I think I had planned to spend the day playing with my PlayStation, playing some Call of Duty, and trying to get better at that. But I think I've got some chores in the garden that are going to need to be done. So yeah, it's hopefully going to be a relaxing day. Hopefully I'll get some nice weather, but the forecast is for rain, unfortunately. So yeah, we'll see what it is. But hope you all have a good one. I will catch you in next week's video, and stay safe until then.